Alright, gentle people, come in now. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Vybz Kartel, come in.
Yeah. World Boss Program.
Tell you now.
Chopped up, me escape from prison like chopper. Money off it pop up. Big G wagon all girl no so cock up.
Pull up. Pull up.
Yeah. World Boss Program.
Tell you now.
Chopped up, me escape from prison like chopper. Money off it pop up. Big G wagon all girl no so cock up. Guappy jeans and no pop up. Pussy them woulda still want see me lock up. So me go by embassy the Monday, tell them sell me them out the visa, you not run yet.
Greatness. Come again.
Guappy jeans and no pop up. Pussy them woulda still want see me lock up. So me go by embassy the Monday, tell them sell me them out the visa, you not run yet. Then me fly out the nether sun, the whole industry nervous like a slave on him a runway.
Alright.
When me live, you can't come there. You see big house and think of me, but I'm a son them. 2 mil budget and my bank account no budget. Me a live off a $50 million budget. Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like rich. 18 watch cause I'm my time this. Ref them gal, high mileage. Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like rich. 18 watch cause I'm my time this. Ref them gal. Them a pray for me fall, me a pray for me.
Like, comment, share, subscribe. No, I feel like Vybz Kartel come out of prison the hug and show some man to them now and try, bro.
That means said the whole of we a pray for me life. See them loyal, me make she my wife and turn them wife in a side chick. Bite it, ride dick. You like it? Type shit. Anything me see it and me want it, me buy it. Why it bun them? That I'm at the pussy them. Me a go cap a jet, cut the wings and drive it. Type life this.
Man, to me I go cap a jet, cut the wings and drive it. You don't know how tough that line they be? Me go cap the jet, cut the wings them and drive it. Yo.
Me fall, me a pray for me rise. That means said the whole of we a pray for me life. See them loyal, me make she my wife and turn them wife in a side chick. Bite it, ride dick. You like it? Type shit. Anything me see.
Boss said type shit. Huh?
Rock it. Want it, me buy it. Why it bun them? That I'm at the pussy them. Me a go cap a jet, cut the wings and drive it. Type life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like rich. 18 watch cause I'm my time this. Ref them gal, high mileage. Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like rich. 18 watch cause I'm my time this. Ref them gal, they escape from prison like chopper. Money off it pop up. Big G wagon all girl no so cock up. Guappy jeans and no pop up. Pussy them woulda still want see me lock up. So me go by embassy the Monday, tell them sell me them out the visa, you not run yet. Then me fly out the nether sun, the whole industry nervous like a slave on him a runway. When me live, you can't come there. You see big house and think of me, but I'm a son them. 2 mil budget and my bank account no budget. Me a live off a $50 million budget. Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like rich. 18 watch cause I'm my time this. Ref them gal, high mileage. Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like rich. 18 watch cause I'm my time.
I make a pull it up. Because I make a stop it here, sir. Now listen. I mean no disrespect when I say this. To no artist at all, Zane. But the musical genius of Vybz Kartel is beyond this world. And Vybz Kartel come out of prison, a man now make no gun song. Like yo, if Vybz Kartel make a gun song right this minute, dancehall mash up, like dancehall done for. See me? But Vybz Kartel come out and preach some positive thing, you know. He might try sing some music, bro, you can vibe to. And me not wrong him, bro. You see me? Because again, the stigma got upon him as the ringleader, the gang member, the killer, you understand? And him smart enough to know so him to take that out of the media. Even though it's still got in the media, but the more positive you do that, you man realize that when him before him got to prison and the whole heap of gun song and lick girl a suck cock song and all them something, bro, the man realize bro that not really get in away, that not really put you in a no spotlight where you want for there. But again, Jamaica is the type of platform or the type of country or place, whatever you want to call it, where bad publicity sells more than good publicity. You see me? So the more negative you do, the better it is. A lot of people depend, like for example TikTok. A lot of people depend on TikTok are do good, but a lot of people don't want that because guess what? There's no excitement to it. Yeah, you do good, blah blah blah, keep it moving. But when you do bad now and people are arguing back and forth, you know you want to sit down there and hear this. That's the Jamaica culture, you see me? Unfortunately, sadly. But that's how 10 out of 10. Calm, meds, and that's in a message, bro. Like, you see me? That's in a message. Me don't know. Me don't know. So like it has in a message do. You see me? But anyway, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, share, subscribe, of course. Soon the next one.